No, me I hold it and take it from me. Yeah, good girl. Sit, Wisdom. Sit. 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 Good boy. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Down.
You don't have ADHD, right? Sit. Oh.
7 eyes.
You're confused. You want the moon or you want to go to the door? Go to the door. Some blood clot. The moon more or less important. Go to the door.
Bless you.
Child sneeze.
Good boy. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Lay down. Lay down. Good boy. Roll over.
Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. You go and treat them with this big boy. Roll over. Roll over.
They say stop playing with the food now.
These nasty bitches won't give me the effing bone. It's been like 1 hour. Take it.
Come here, my friend.
Come here. Fucking this guy. You need to get lucky there.
But that's one thing, growl. But I take it from him.